Good evening, everyone. Yeah, this is a fine announcement. Everybody are grown and attack this and attack that about the government. Hey, hello, let me tell you not something. One of his stop it. Because be taught Mr. Honourable Andrew Holness. We do in our country. We are dopey. You understand? All of the Jamaicans, them will have knowledge. And not have your head on your body. We just grow here alone. You understand? You don't agree with me with your video here. You understand? Me notice in a PNP time, if PNP win today, me end up a prison tomorrow. From jail to prison. So you don't know what happen. Me love the Labour right government. Cause me love Andrew Holness, Prime Minister. You understand? Because you see, Jamaica no love to abide and any no rule. Everybody just want to have them one way. You understand? But since Andrew Holness realize, say, alright, me I put a full stop to it. Here when use and stop the people them now. If you want to know which taxi man straight, make the transport authority come on the road. And you say, yo, you are working. Transport them on the road. That's why you say everybody around down. PNP government. Me no want PNP government. Cause listen me plan peace I am. And when it turn orange, me fret. But you see when it green palm bush, me say yes, you am a beer. So why me not feel lovely up green? Me say yes, you am a beer. And another thing about it. Jamaica people love too much hands out. Free. When Mark Golden we get money to run the country. Mark Golden have 4 set of hungry belly people when you have to feed. Right? You have to Portia. You have to Portia. You have to Peter Phillips. You have to PJ. And one next one when I can't remember his name. You understand? So here what happen. Let me tell you something now. Andrew Holness teach we how to do fish. You know, give we a fish. He teach we how to fish. So that means that when you want fish, you know what to do and how to set up the bait, pan the hook, to catch your fish. You understand? Jamaica people no love rule and revelation all over law. You understand? Here the wickedest thing now. Jamaica people, if they no get squeezed in a one corner, they no realize. Them a blash the police, them and a cuss the police, them. Me no problem with the police, you know. Cause if me got, one time me did a problem with police. So me did fool and I know knowledge. Me did fool and I know knowledge. Police come, hey, hello sir, give me a search. Me say search who? All me fi do, just put up my hand like this and say go ahead boss. Since Mr. Andrew Holness coming in the country and I run the country, me acknowledge everything. When PNP in a power, it's come like Mr. in contract with them to go to prison. They win till them in their jail tomorrow. I mean I come from prison till when? Election again. And if Labour right win me come out. So me love Labour right government. Right? And Mr. Andrew Holness keep run the country same way, sir. And you see this election, Mr. Andrew, open your eye. Cause who we are run with? A thief. White collar thief. You're supposed to know that. You understand? Anytime you left the seat, Mr. Andrew, I know lose your seat, you know. I retire, you retire. Step, you step down. And give somebody else the seat. And let me tell you something, man. Jamaica people, they no love to live in a community where you can walk, go up this and nothing no do you. PNP government a scammer, a thief. Let me tell you that. Right? See the soldier where them police them hold down a sentry with one gun. And what happened? They lock up the soldier. You understand? But when PNP in a power, and one no more law they have, I just feel the little barefoot poor them like me. But remember me tell you, you see, labor right government, you could have money like a was sand upon seaside, find you wrong, them a put you in prison, from jail to prison, and I see them treatment where the poor get, you get. So Mr. Andrew, keep run your country, keep the good same way, cause you win, and make me know how, if you don't seek work, you understand? So here what happen, I want your video, you have to reach out for you to see it. You know, no lose or lose. Anne-Marie Valls of Portland, big up yourself, lady. You are doing a good job. You understand? Because a Portland up at one place they call Barry Hill. They never have no road, and I see you give them road. And why Cascade not get no road in a sentence? I true sell them vote. If they sell them vote like a white sand, they would have get road straight to Batasi. But I sell them vote. Anyway, the people them sell them vote, me can't tell you. Alston people sell them vote. You understand? When they sell them vote to PNP, they have no road, nothing. I mean, I feel to say government feel responsible for that. Thank you.